One of the pressing questions over the past few years as cryptocurrency has become more and more popular is it better to invest in buying cryptocurrencies themselves, or is it better to invest in companies that will benefit from the rise of cryptocurrencies? I've owned some Bitcoin and Ethereum since 2017 when it became very, very popular. Back then, when Bitcoin was getting all kinds of attention, I dove deep into the world of cryptocurrency and I learned about all kinds of different altcoins and different platforms, different exchanges and different programs. Fortunately, I was skeptical enough that I really didn't invest large sums of money in anything that was questionable. And for the most part, I stuck with Bitcoin and Ethereum as far as making any kind of major investments. As you may know, the cryptocurrency world was filled with failed projects and outright scams. Well, after the crypto hype calmed down, in 2018 I found that I really enjoyed learning about different companies and investing in individual stocks. And I've really gravitated towards that. And I really enjoy finding companies that I think are undervalued, that have great potential, and I want to make the decision to invest in them and benefit as they grow. So while I think crypto is great and has a lot of potential, and while I believe I will probably always own some cryptocurrencies are non-productive assets. Even the ones that have staking as a part of their system, basically you're buying something that you hope someone else is willing to pay more for in the future. It's not like that token or that coin is backed by a machine that's creating new revenue, like a business. So I decided for myself to own a small percentage in actual cryptocurrency. Between 1 and 2% is my target. And I plan for those to always be the main winners, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. While you may be able to invest in some other smaller coins or tokens and have the chance for a massive return, I'm not looking to shoot to the moon with this small slice of cryptocurrency. I'm just looking for a small participation in a large trend that I see expanding over the coming years. Reviewing my accounts today and preparing for this video, I've used some of those cryptocurrency balances to purchase other things at different times, and now I realize I need to add to those Bitcoin and Ethereum balances to get that back up to at least 1% of my liquid net worth. But beyond that small slice of my portfolio, I want to invest in companies that are going to benefit from the rise of cryptocurrency, regardless of which coin or which token is the coin of the future. So how can I invest in a company that's going to benefit no matter which coin wins? Well, you could look at companies that make the hardware that cryptocurrencies require, things like graphics cards. They are in high demand with cryptocurrency, and that's certainly going to be a thing that continues into the future. Or you could look at cryptocurrency mining companies, and there are several of those that you can pick from. But in my case, I've settled on Coinbase. Coinbase is like the Visa of the cryptocurrency world. It's the main platform that gains entry from fiat currency like US dollars, Canadian dollars, or whatever, into the cryptocurrency world. Coinbase has been the leading cryptocurrency exchange in the United States for years now. It's the most trusted name on the most well-known platform, and it's very secure and user-friendly. Over the past few years, many different brokerages and platforms have made it easier and easier for you to get involved in cryptocurrency. But one of the things that many people don't realize is that these platforms don't actually sell you the cryptocurrency where you have access to it yourself. Let's take Robinhood, for example. When you look at the platform and you sign up for cryptocurrency and you read the fine print, you begin to realize that you don't actually own the Bitcoin that you're buying or whichever cryptocurrency you buy. You're exchanging your regular dollars for cryptocurrency that they are holding. And you basically have it earmarked in your account that you have that amount of cryptocurrency available to you in your account. But it's not like you can transfer it off the platform. You're not able to go buy something in the real world with your Robinhood cryptocurrency. It's sitting there waiting for you to sell back into your American dollars. And that's not a knock against Robinhood. You can do virtually the same thing on several different platforms. And I like that. I think it's great that I can use my PayPal account to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum. I think it's great that people have these options, and they may actually allow you to hold and own the cryptocurrency in the future. But if you want to do that today, your number one gateway into the cryptocurrency world is Coinbase. You see, when you buy your cryptocurrency on Coinbase, you are actually exchanging your American dollars or whatever fiat currency for the actual cryptocurrency. And then from there, you can transfer those to any crypto address that you want. You can transfer it to your own wallet, whether that's an app or a platform online, or a cold wallet like a thumb drive. Or from Coinbase, you can actually make payment to a cryptocurrency address that belongs to a business in the real world. My point is, while your options with the other platforms are great and they continue to improve, there is a big difference between what they do and what Coinbase allows you to do. So why did I compare Coinbase to Visa? Visa is the number one transaction processor in the world. And when you're the number one, you just have to take a small fee off every transaction. And Coinbase is the same kind of business model. They don't just profit every time Bitcoin goes up. They profit from the traffic. They get small fees for transactions, whether the price is going up or going down. The more customers, the more action, the more velocity with which those cryptocurrencies are trading and exchanging, the more money Coinbase makes. The only question is cryptocurrency becoming more and more popular? And the answer is yes. So what about their fundamentals? Coinbase is about a $40 billion market cap company, and today they're trading at a PE ratio that's under 18. When you look at their debt, they have more cash and cash equivalents than their long-term debt, so they're able to pay it off at any time. Their growth over the past little while has been incredible. During 2021, their revenue growth year over year was 514%. And when you look as far as profitability, the return on capital is about 45%. This company is running a highly profitable business model, and they are simply printing money. If you look at their price today, they're trading about 47% off their high in November of last year. And do I see them going back? Absolutely. Now, is the stock price at a bottom? I don't know. But I've been buying, and I'm going to continue buying gradually as it goes through this down phase, knowing that eventually Coinbase is coming back. So what's your strategy to invest in cryptocurrency? Do you buy the currency itself, or do you pick a company that's going to benefit from all of them? I look forward to reading your strategies in the comments. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.